In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro templates. Miro is a fantastic tool for mind mapping, brainstorming, and collaborating with teams virtually. Whether you're new or a seasoned user, understanding how to leverage templates can really streamline your workflow. So let's dive in together and explore this process step by step. First, we need to visit the Miro website. Open up your web browser and navigate to miro.com. This is where all the magic happens. If you're not already logged in, don't worry, our next steps will guide you through accessing your Miro account. Once the page loads, you'll see the login option in the top right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in. Miro offers flexibility here. You can sign in using your email or your Google account. Choose whichever option is most convenient for you. If you're signing up for the first time, it's usually quicker to link an existing Google account. After entering your details, click Continue with Email or Continue with Google to proceed. This will direct you to your Miro dashboard, the central hub where all your boards and ideas are stored. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you're new to Miro. From your dashboard, locate the Explore Templates button. This is typically found on the left side panel of your screen. Clicking on Explore Templates opens up a whole world of pre-designed templates tailored for various purposes, such as project management, strategic planning, and creative brainstorming. Using templates can save you a significant amount of time by providing a starting structure for your new projects. If you already know the specific template you're looking for, use the search bar at the top to quickly find it. Simply type in the relevant keywords and Miro will pull up a selection that matches your search criteria. Once you've decided on a template, click on Use Template. This action will make a copy of the template you chose and open it in a new board, ready for you to start customizing. Now let's personalize this template to better fit your project. Start by renaming the entire template. This is done by clicking on the template's title, usually found at the top of the board, and typing in a new name. Giving a distinct name helps avoid confusion, especially when you have multiple projects in progress. You can also rename the columns within your template. Columns often represent different phases or categories in a project, so having clear descriptive titles is crucial. Click on each column header and type in the name that best represents the content or phase it will contain. With these customizations, your template is now geared toward your specific needs. You can begin adding your content, ideas, tasks, or whatever suits your project, fully utilizing the intuitive and flexible nature of Miro's platform. And there you go, you are now set to efficiently organize and execute your tasks with the help of Miro templates. Thanks for watching and happy brainstorming.